This is the first AAC Research Interest Network Group online meeting. Our goal is to support people who use AAC, who want to be more active in research, either taking part in research, or as researchers. These are the minutes from the meeting. These are the people who attended the group today. We had Beth, Charlie, Catherine, Amy, Helen, Callum, Carl, Fraser, Jamie, Emma, and Connor. The main aims of this group are 1. Raise awareness about research with AAC community. 2. Connect people interested in research with one another. 3. Provide an opportunity to share research with the AAC community. Basically, we want to share information about research with people who use AAC. We aim to make research more accessible through the creation of awareness materials, and providing less experienced AAC users with opportunities to develop research skills. The idea of Communication Matters hosting an AAC user research group is to create a network of support by connecting people who use AAC to research opportunities. We talked about whether we could use informal groups to share information about research. This would bring together other AAC groups such as conversation cafes. Communication Matters has further funding approved to support more conversation cafes. Could we use social media platforms to share information about research opportunities? We talked about having a website to share information. Communication Matters will have some changes to the website soon. Watch this space. We are also considering publishing videos to YouTube, as well as Facebook about research and the meetings. We will have to consider how to run and maintain these groups, and we'll come to discuss this further in future meetings. Think about users' ages. We think TikTok is more likely to be used by younger people, so we will also consider in the future whether we might set up a TikTok account.
The next topic for discussion was terminology. What is the best way to describe research to get people on board? The term research can be off-putting, like a high-end educational study that only a few would be able to take part in. What would be better language to use, or introduction into a number of different research that is useful to a number of different people? One example while talking about a research topic described differently, such as, how would you like to shape the future of AAC? How can you help make this better and be part of a research that makes a difference? So, what can we do? It was agreed that people would like to know what roles there are, to give more information what best suits them, how they can perform in the research, and how to get involved. So the challenge for Communication Matter to let people know is: first, what sort of roles are available That would encourage people to select or be part of a research. Second, what opportunities or projects can people get involved in? The following outcomes were agreed from the meeting. Research Interest Network will meet twice per year on Zoom. The next meeting will be in November, which will also be used for sharing learning and opportunities from the Communication Matter Conference. By March meeting, the aim will be that we will be able to share ideas for research topics and involvement. Inclusion of other countries was discussed and acknowledged that this would be useful, but was decided to limit to UK only to start with, and then once established, reach out to other countries. Aim to expand to other groups that already exist, such as Conversation Cafes, Dundee Straight Talking and Barnsley Voice. At the end of discussions, the following action list was made. Action 1. Create a video with different roles and opportunities. The video should be suitable for social media platforms such as YouTube. Charlie will be the lead, supported mainly by Beth, but other members of the group can also be included. List of roles to be defined by September, with follow-on members' involvement by October. Action 2 is challenge for a Facebook page to be created and hosted by the Research Interest Network group and used as a platform for discussion around research. Carl is happy to support to this. Responsibility will be on Amy, Beth and Kath. Progress feedback will be given at next meeting in November. Action 3. Provide a list of research opportunities to be able to share with this group and other AACUs. This action is part of next meeting agenda to be further discussed.
Our next meeting date will be in November. The exact time and date is to be confirmed, and we will send a link to the Zoom platform closer to the time. We propose that the agenda will be sharing highlights from the Communication Matters Conference, which takes part in September, and also with a focus on sharing research opportunities. We look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.